Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very warm morning to one and all present here. I'm Akash Balasubramanian, 15 years of age, and as you can see, I'm very tall. Isn't that right? I'm very tall. Now take a look around yourselves. You see a variety of heights, right? Some towering, some Kevin Hart's, well, like me, right? Let's just say I'm more closer to the ground than most of y'all over here. And for a good chunk of my life, that simple fact came with a soundtrack. Small, minuscule, tiny, chipmunk, dwarf, get a ladder to reach up here, etc., etc. And that really hurt. For a while, those words stung. They made me feel less visible, less capable, less efficient, less everything, to be honest. I'd find myself just slouching, trying to just disappear into the background. Oh, but shopping was extremely easy at the kids section, and don't even get me started on trying to see at concerts, family gatherings, functions, etc. But somewhere along the way, I started to realize something. Those words and those labels, they were in me. They were just bare minimum words. And words, as powerful as they can be, don't define us unless we let them define us. I repeat, words don't define us unless we let them define us. So how did I start to overcome it? It wasn't some overnight transformation, as you can see. It was a series of small shifts in perspective, little acts of rebellion against the Chota Bacha title. Firstly, I started to own it. Instead of shrinking away, I'd make a joke about me being 6'4" and 3 centimeters to be precise. I learned to laugh with people, and when I say this, I really mean it. This laughter is what diffused the negativity around. It was like diffusing a bomb. The power of your words diminished when I wasn't afraid of it. Secondly, I focused on things that I could control. My height, obviously not. But what about my skills, passions, and personality? Well, of course. I threw myself into things that I loved doing. Say, for example, playing badminton, playing chess, playing the piano, playing drums, talking, speaking, communicating, conversating, chatting, talking again, etc., etc. Suddenly, my height wasn't the first thing people noticed. They saw me for my enthusiasm, my dedication, and my brain power. And this is what I mean by the change in perspective. And that's the key, isn't it? We all have things that make us feel less in some way. Maybe it's height, maybe it's something completely different, but letting that one perceived flaw overshadow everything else is like staring at a single blurry pixel on a giant beautiful canvas, isn't it? Speaking of which, I'd like to share this one beautiful quote from one of my favorite Hindi movies, The Three Idiots. It goes something like this. Kabil bano, kamyabi tho jhak maar ke piche bhagegi. Now what this literally translates to is that become capable and success will chase after you, kicking and screaming. Think about it. This movie isn't about any physical attribute. It's about focusing on your abilities, your talents, and your growth. And by growth, I mean mental growth and not physically. When we channel our energy into doing things that we are most passionate about, into doing things that we are most skilled in, you see those external attributes like small and minuscule in my case, they just fade away into the background. Our capabilities shine so bright that our physical stature becomes irrelevant at that point. What I learned is that our value isn't measured in any external metric or any inch system. It's measured in our resilience, our kindness, our passions, and the unique way in which we tend to see the world today. Maybe being closer to the ground gives me a different perspective. Maybe I notice the little things that others miss. Maybe I am a better listener because I've had to work a little harder to be heard. Who knows? So if you're out there and someone is just trying to box you in with a label, I want you all to remember this one thing. Whatever it may be, Their words are just bare, minimum, valueless, useless words. And by words, I literally only mean letters and syllables. Your story is much more bigger and better than what you think or assume it to be. So I want you all to own your narrative, focus on your strengths, and never ever let anyone else define your true self-worth. Because at the end of the day, the only height that truly matters is the height of your dreams, depth of your character. Thank you for letting me share this small story over here today and change your perspective.